Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Hairvivi and today's video is slightly different. So I'm going to be showing you guys the new service that Hairvivi are doing. So you have an old wig that maybe the lace is balding or maybe the lace is ripped or you've overplucked or something. Instead of buying a new wig, you can easily just send off that wig to Hairvivi and order a new lace from them, and they'll literally replace the wig for you. So you don't have to worry about buying a whole new wig because wigs aren't cheap. So instead of buying a whole new wig, you can just send off what you already have. They'll literally replace the lace for you. This is the wig that they've sent me. This is the HD Bob lace wig, and you guys can see that it comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and the hairline is just everything. So, and this is the replacement lace that I was sent, which is exactly what you're going to be getting as well. If you were to order a new lace from them, you can see it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked as well. So yeah, you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do now, this is gonna hurt me so much because I really don't want to do this because I just really love their lace. So let's say I have a rip in the lace somewhere here like this. So let's say you have a lace that is ripped or something. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've got rips in the lace now. I've got one right here and there's another one right there. So if you have an old wig that it's got rips in it, or maybe it's balding, or maybe you've overplucked or something, you can just send it off to Hairvivi and they'll just replace the lace for you. Right now I'm just going to show you guys how I do this. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've got the replacement lace frontal on the wig now, and like I said, this is a service that they're providing. So you can send off your old wig, order a new replacement frontal, they'll replace your frontal for you and they ship it back to you. So you pay to ship your wig off to them, but when they're sending it back to you, the shipping fee is included in the lace that you've ordered from them. So now I'm just gonna start stitching the replacement lace frontal onto the wig.
Nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be there 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. I really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, boop off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be there 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see.
So this is what the wig looks like after you've stitched on the replacement frontal. It looks so seamless as well. You can barely even tell that you've replaced the frontal. And I think what's really good with the service as well is that they use a really thin thread as well, as you guys can see, and it's more or less the same color as the knots as well, so it literally just blends in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the lace that was the ripped lace that was there before, as you guys can see, and then yeah, I have my new wig. I think this is way more cost effective than you having to literally buy a new wig when you can just replace the lace frontal.
Them I've been looking too low. What for? I don't need to show my love.
Okay, so I'm ready to put the wig on now, but I'm actually in the process of doing my makeup. But I want to see if I can install this wig glueless. So I'm going to go ahead and clip the adjustable straps at the back of the wig together. So I'm just going to cut off the excess lace. Okay, so I'm done getting ready now, and I must say I really like the new service that Hairvivi are obviously providing, because it makes a lot of sense. And instead of you having to buy a whole new wig, you can just send off like any of your old wigs that you've bought from them. If your lace is balding, or you know you have a rip in your lace, or you've overplucked or something, instead of getting a whole new wig, you can just send off the old one you have and they'll replace the lace for you. You have to pay for your shipping to send the wig off, but when they're sending it back to you, the shipping is included in the lace, in the new lace frontal that you're buying from them. So you can either decide to replace the frontal yourself, or you can send it off to them and you know they'll do it for you. So I like the fact that it looks extremely seamless, like you can't even tell that, you know, I've replaced the frontal. And also, just to let you guys know, this is actually glueless, so it's not glued down. So yeah, that is one thing I really like about Hairvivi. Their lace is honestly so seamless, like it literally just melts and blends into your skin. All I had to do was to apply my powder onto the lace. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.